This video will be a quick overview of the Retrospect interface. On the left side, when you go to Backup, you have several options. Backup will copy the data into an original Retrospect data format, allowing you to copy only the new or changed files since the previous backup. Backup is the most common way of copying data. We also offer Duplicate, which will copy the data in the original file data format from one disk to another. This also supports incremental copying, but does not support the backup of the registry or the Windows system state. We have Disaster Recovery available, which will create a bootable recovery disk in case of a complete system loss where you need to recover the entire operating system. We also have Restore options where you can restore individual files and folders based on a Retrospect snapshot. We offer a Find Files where you can search for files by criteria such as a file name or maybe even a file date. Then we have special restore types related to Exchange. We have Automate, which allows you to use the Retrospect Proactive Backup AI feature for automated backups of laptops and desktops that come and go from your network. We have a Manage Script option, which allows you to create customized scripts for automated backups based on specific days of the week. And then we have a Check Script option. The Retrospect Activity Monitor is a good place to go to learn about scheduled backups that may be happening in the future. You can view operations logs for past backups. You can view your backup history, and you can also view the currently running backup operations. We have reporting menus, which will give you a report overview or access to the operations log. The sessions content report will show you individual backup operations and what files were copied on specific dates. We have a tools menu, which will allow you to perform catalog rebuilds, verify your backup media, perform backup set transfers for staged backups, or archive files if necessary. And then we also have a configure menu, where you can configure your tape storage devices. You can add clients to Retrospect, configure your backup sets and view your backup set properties, and make changes to existing backup sets. We have volumes where you can access your locally attached hard drives, like a USB hard drive or even a NAS device. You can also access your clients through the volumes menu. You have selectors where you can configure Retrospect filters for filtering out specific backups on criteria such as a file name or file extension or file date. That allows you to include or exclude data as necessary. You have Retrospect preferences where you can configure the Retrospect preferences such as email notification or the Retrospect management console. And you also have licenses for viewing and setting up additional licenses for your Retrospect software.